Welcome to the channel. Today we're giving this neglected Honda Accord a complete transformation. From intense detailing to full mechanical work, we're restoring this sedan to its former glory. Let's get to work.
Dream I couldn't see, but a spark is still alive. Buried beneath the pain, calling me to rise again. This is not the end. I won't break again, even in the dark. I
Extracting residual oil from the oil pan. Cleaning drain plug and replacing crush washer. Tightening drain plug to standard torque. Tightening oil filter to standard torque. Cleaning residual or stains. Filling engine or oil to standard capacity. WD for silicone lubricant, maintaining chassis rubber components. Cleaning engine air filter housing. Coolant boiling point test, 112 degrees Celsius, normal range. Coolant pH test, pH 7.93, normal range.
like a heartbeat in the dark.
Brake fluid moisture test, 0.5%, normal. And boiling point test, 197 degrees Celsius, normal. Battery cranking performance test, 85% health remaining. Worth battery terminal protector. Worth concentrated washer fluid plus purified water. Tire pressure check.
Every shadow turns to light. Every wrong becomes a right. I can feel the change inside. Like a wave I cannot hide. Now I finally see the spark. I was lost inside the dark, guided by a spark. Every moment pulls me through, back to something strong and true. I was frozen in a moment, couldn't move, couldn't breathe.
Cleaning drain plug and replacing crush washer. Cleaning transmission fluid pan and magnets. Tightening internal transmission filter to standard torque. Tightening transmission fluid pan to standard torque. Tightening drain plug to standard torque.
But I can see it shining through the endless night. Every step is getting closer to that distant guiding light. Even when the road is long, I can feel where I belong. There's a light in the distance, calling out my name. Through the dark resistance, I won't be the same. There's a light in the distance, I'm reaching out my hand. Every broken moment,
Tightening external transmission filter to standard torque. Cleaning residual or stains. Filling transmission fluid to standard capacity.
I can feel it guiding me.
Standard procedure for checking transmission fluid level.
Even when it feels so wrong, I was never on my own. Far away, but I can see it shining through the endless night.
Cleaning fluid level check plug and replacing washer.
To that distant guiding light. Even when the road is long,
Tightening fluid level check plug to standard torque.
there's a light in the distance, calling out through the dark resistance. I won't be
Cleaning residual or stains. Comparing old and new transmission fluid. Sunroof drain tube inspection. Worth HHS white grease, lubricating sunroof tracks. Cleaning cabin air filter housing.
closer to what I should be. Can feel it guiding me.
Worth engine bay cleaner. Basic cleaning and coating. Worth HHS 2000. Lubricating door, hood and trunk hinges.
There's a light that leads me home.
Basic car wash,